Here's how to move app icons on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone home screen and you don't like where the app icons are, or even widgets, you can always move them. The easiest way to be able to do that is to press and hold on an existing app. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to do that one. And now from here, you can see Edit Home Screen. Every single one app will have Edit Home Screen. And now they start jiggling with the little minus sign. If you tap on the minus accidentally, it'll ask you to delete it. So don't just tap on the minus, but you're going to take your finger and press and hold on it, and then drag your finger elsewhere. You can see just like this, I can move it around, and wherever I release my finger is where it goes. Another cool trick is you can use two fingers. So drag this finger around, but you can all use the other finger to swipe between pages quickly and easily. And again, when you lift your finger up, it drops that app. Again, you can tap on it to get out of it. You can just tap anywhere else, and it will basically put that app where it is. Another feature is that you can press and hold on it, and then eventually you'll get the ability to move it around. So you can either press and hold on the app, or you can press and hold and tap on Edit Home Screen. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that too. And thanks for watching.